Hello from Bush Support. In this video, we will show you how to solve Wi-Fi connectivity issues on your television. These tips are useful for scenarios where your TV won't connect to the internet, disconnects from the internet, or your smart apps are slow when streaming. The instructions for your model of TV may vary. For this video, we have used a Bush Smart TV. Firstly, check the TV is connected to the correct router. Open the network menu on your television and select your Wi-Fi network. If you have multiple variations appearing, we recommend selecting the 2.4 GHz network. If you have any Wi-Fi extenders or mesh networks, try to connect the TV directly to the router instead. Next, ensure the password has been entered case sensitive. This means that any uppercase or lowercase letters are entered the same as on the password found on the back of your router. Consider the location of the router. If the router is over 3 meters away and you're experiencing issues, try positioning the TV closer to the router. If connection is still unsuccessful, try rebooting the TV and the router together. Unplug the TV from the wall and hold down the power button for 15 seconds. Wait for 10 seconds before plugging the TV back in and switching on the power. Then, reset the Wi-Fi router by pressing the reset button or unplugging and plugging back in. Another thing we recommend trying if the previous steps didn't work is a first-time installation. This varies by the model. If you are unsure on the steps, then consult the user manual or contact the Argos support team. If it still doesn't connect to the Wi-Fi router, try connecting the TV to a mobile hotspot on a different network. Create a hotspot on a phone and connect via the TV's network menu. For further information, please visit www.bush-support.com.